Good morning, everyone, on this Friday afternoon. My name is Reid, and I'm thrilled to announce that on November 21st, from 8 to 9 p.m., I will be presenting about the critical role of AI in patient advocacy to improve outcomes and reduce costs. In our discussion, we will explore three key things about how AI can, one, shift the conversation from treatment to preventative care, two, ensure patients receive the medications and therapies they need after diagnosis. Three, strengthen the doctor-patient relationship through better information and communication. I am very passionate about this particular topic. It is something that I hold near and dear to you, and it is something that I look forward to talking more about and teaching y'all about based on my professional experiences. Again, I will be presenting on November 21st from 8 to 9 p.m. about the critical role of AI in patient advocacy to improve outcomes and reduce costs. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.